Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, sa aking mga subscriber, sa aking mga silent viewers dyan. Shout out sa inyo. Meron akong dalawang klaseng coins, 10 sen ng Malaysia at 1 sen. Unahin muna natin yung pictures nya. Issuer Malaysia, period, Federal Elective Constitutional Monarchy, 1963 to date. Type standard circulation coins, years 1989 to 2011. Madami-dami pala ito. Value 10 sen. Ang value niya sa Pilipinas ay 1.21 cents. Currency ringgit. Composition copper nickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel. Weight 2.82 grams. Diameter 19.4 mm. Thickness 1.37 mm. Shape round. Technique meld. Orientation medal alignment. Obverse. Value divides. Date below. Hibiscus flower blossom. Binomial name: Hibiscus rosa sinensis, the national flower of Malaysia. Atin, Bank of Negara Malaysia, 10 sen. And year. Translation: Malaysian National Bank. Ito pala, obverse pala niya to. Ang reverse niya ito. Reverse Kungkak, a game of Malay origin for two, consisting on a board which is several houses and storehouses, each redded. Redded o each nga. Redded nga, magaspang. Ito yung reverse niya mga kaibigan. Ito kung dito sa atin ay sungka. National game siguro ito sa Malaysia, ang sungka. Ito sa atin parang wala na akong nakikitang naglalaro nito. Ang 1989 niya, walang fine agad. 550 very fine, 10 pesos, extra fine 15 pesos. 1990 very good, 550 fine, 11 hanggang very fine, extra fine 14 pesos, almost uncirculated 18, 37 ang uncirculated. 1991 good niya 1.80, very good 570, fine 7.40, very fine 9.90, extra fine 14, almost uncirculated 15, uncirculated 25. 92 good 3.10, very good 7.50, fine 15, very fine 17, extra fine 18. 1993 very good 550, fine 12, very fine hanggang extra fine hanggang almost uncirculated 16 pesos. Ang uncirculated niya ay 34. 1994 6.80 ang very fine. 1995 fine 6.80, very fine 12, extra fine 15 hanggang almost uncirculated 37 ang uncirculated. 1996 very fine hanggang almost uncirculated 16 pesos, 34 ang uncirculated. 1997 good 1.20, very good hanggang fine 6.20, very fine 10 pesos, extra fine 14, almost uncirculated 15, 20 ang uncirculated. Ang 1998 19 pesos very fine, extra fine 19 din, 99. Very good, 3.70. Fine, 9.50. Very fine, 10 pesos. Extra fine hanggang almost uncirculated, 11. Uncirculated, 34. 2020. Very good, 3.7. Fine, 9.20. Very fine, 9.9. Extra fine, 14. Almost uncirculated, 16. 31 ang uncirculated. 2001. 6.80. Very good. Fine hanggang very fine, 8.60. Extra fine, 12. Almost uncirculated, 15. Uncirculated, 20. 2002. Very good, 6.20 hanggang fine. Very fine, 9.20. Extra fine, 10. Almost uncirculated, 36. 2003. Very fine, 14 hanggang extra fine. 2004. Fine, 6.20. Extra fine, 10 pesos hanggang almost uncirculated, 25 ang uncirculated. 2005. Fine, 4.90. Very fine, 11. Extra fine, 12. 18 ang uncirculated, 31 ang uncirculated. Ito ang pinakamahal mga kaibigan ng 2006. Very good, 3.10. Fine, 6.80. Extra fine, 7.40. Extra fine hanggang almost uncirculated, 13. Ang uncirculated niya ay 2,300 mga kaibigan. Ang year 2006. 2007. Fine, 7 pesos hanggang extra fine. Ang very fine. Extra fine, 14. Almost uncirculated, 15. 23 ang uncirculated. 2008. Fine, 9.20. Extra fine, 10 pesos. Very fine. Extra fine, 14. Almost uncirculated, 20. 37 ang uncirculated. 2009. Very good, 6.80. Fine, 11. Extra fine, 12. Very fine. Extra fine, 15 hanggang uncirculated. Ang almost uncirculated, ang uncirculated niya 31. 2010. Good, 2.20. Very good, 4.80. Fine, 9.20. Extra fine, 10. Very fine, 10. Extra fine, 12. Almost uncirculated, 31. 2011. Very good, 4.30. Fine hanggang extra fine, 9.20. 12 pesos ang extra fine. 20 pesos ang almost uncirculated. 34 ang uncirculated. So mga kaibigan, mahal ang 10 cent. Dako naman tayo dito sa 1 cent. Ang 1 cent, pictures niya ay issuer Malaysia, period Federal Elective Constitutional Monarchy, 1963 to date. Type standard circulation coins, years 1989 to 2008. Madami-dami din. Value 1 cent, 0.12 lang cent sa Pilipinas. Currency ringgit. Composition copper clad steel. Magnetic to. Dali, mga kaibigan hindi nga magnetic to. Ayun, magnetic nga siya. Weight 1.74 grams. Diameter 17.78 mm. Thickness 1.26 mm. Shape round. Technique meld. Orientation medal alignment. Obverse value divides dates below. Hibiscus flower, Hibiscus rosas, sinensis blossom. Bank Negara Malaysia, 1 cent. Ito yung obverse niya mga kaibigan, para sila ng obverse. Reverse naman, Ribana Ubi Drum, age smooth. Drum pala to, tambol. Tambol pala ito mga kaibigan. Punta tayo sa price nya. 1989 very fine hanggang uncirculated 16 pesos. 1990 very fine hanggang very fine hanggang extra fine 9.30. Almost uncirculated 21, 62 ang uncirculated nya. Mahal din. 1991 fine 9.20, very fine 10 pesos, extra fine 12, almost uncirculated 14, 18 pesos ang uncirculated. 1992 fine 4.90, very fine 6.20, extra fine 11, almost uncirculated 14, 55 ang uncirculated. 1993 very good 3.60, fine 550, very fine 920 hanggang extra fine 12 ang almost uncirculated, 20 ang uncirculated. 1994 fine hanggang very fine 10 pesos, extra fine hanggang almost uncirculated 14, 20 ang uncirculated. 1995 very good 6.20, fines 8.60, very fine 13, extra fine hanggang almost uncirculated 14, 17 ang uncirculated nya. Mahal din mga kaibigan. 1996 very good 7.30 hanggang very good, good hanggang very good 7.30, fine hanggang very fine 11 pesos, extra fine 13, almost uncirculated 18, 20 ang uncirculated. 1997 very good 6.20, fine hanggang very fine 10 pesos, extra fine 12, almost uncirculated 16, 22 ang uncirculated na. 1998 very good 550, fine 6.80, very fine 8 pesos, extra fine hanggang uncirculated 14 pesos. 1999 very good 3.10 hanggang fine, very fine 6.80, 6.60 pala, extra fine 10, almost uncirculated 18, uncirculated 20. 2001 good 3.70, very good 9.20, fine hanggang almost uncirculated 11 pesos. 2002 very good hanggang fine 8 pesos, very fine hanggang extra fine 9.60, 11 ang almost uncirculated, 20 ang uncirculated. 2003 good 3.70, very good 5.40, fine 7.40, very fine hanggang almost uncirculated 8.60. 2004 fine 3.7, very fine 10 pesos hanggang almost uncirculated, 18 ang uncirculated nya. 2005 very good 7.40, fine hanggang very fine 8.60, extra fine 14, 21 ang almost uncirculated at saka uncirculated. 2006 very good 4.30, fine 9.10 hanggang very fine 11 pesos ang extra fine, 13 pesos ang almost uncirculated at uncirculated. 2007 fine hanggang extra fine 12 pesos, 13 pesos ang almost uncirculated, 15 pesos ang uncirculated. 2008 walang presyo mga kaibigan, hard to find siya, 0.7% lang, walang presyo. Bakit kaya karamihang walang presyo ay ang mga hard to find? Pagka presyo man mas mura sa mga sinasabi nilang common. Ito pala mga kaibigan, oh. Tambol at saka sungka. Tambol at sungka. So mga kaibigan, baka naman maglambing ng subscribe, pa-press na subscribe, pa-press na notification bell, pa-select ng all, pa-like na rin ng video, at kung gusto nyo i-share nyo na rin. Magandang hapon mga kaibigan. Salamat.